Hey guys, and assalamu alaikum to all my viewers. We're back with another video on YouTube and I was so excited to do this video for you guys. मेरा बहुत दिल चाह रहा था कि मैं कोई Halloween look करूँ जो कि बहुत ही easy हो लेकिन बहुत ही interesting हो. So basically this look is inspired by Glam by Flo on Instagram. I saw her IGTV video of her making herself into a blood bride and it looked super easy and super fun to do, and this is something you guys can do if you're totally out of ideas and you really want to look really nice on Halloween. So this is something you could do last minute if you are good with makeup, and it's super easy. So without any further ado, let's get into this video. जो आज हम लोग करने वाले हैं, it's a last minute Halloween look inspired by this picture of Glam by Flo that I saw on Instagram. So I'm already done hydrating my face with my moisturizer and with my lip balm क्योंकि if you want your makeup look to look flawless, you really need to hydrate it. मतलब अगर आपको चाहिए कि आपका makeup बहुत ज़्यादा ही flawless हो, कहीं भी patches या cakey नहीं हो, तो you need to hydrate your face with moisturizer. सिर्फ प्राइमर की ज़रूरत नहीं होती, आपको पहले मॉइस्चराइज़र लगाना पड़ता है ताकि एक एक एरिया आपके फेस का ड्राई ना रह जाए. भले आपकी ऑयली स्किन भी है, it should be well hydrated. I have an oily skin but I always hydrate my face, so I did that using my moisturizer and I hydrated my lips using my Vaseline lip jelly ताकि जब मैं लिपस्टिक लगाऊँ तो वो crack up now. And now we're gonna start off with our foundation, which is the L'Oreal True Match Super Blendable Foundation in the shade W5. ये मेरा शेड है और ये रेगुलर ट्रू मैच नहीं है. दिस इज़ द ट्रू मैच which is like their super blendable range. इनके काफ़ी सारे शेड्स हैं, which is the best part, and it's a great foundation for acne prone skin. I have acne prone skin, so I looked up on the internet और मुझे पता चला कि foundation आपके pores को block नहीं करता है. It allows your pores to breathe. It does not make your acne worse, and honestly it's really good. I've been using it for about 2 years now. And we're just gonna apply this. I'm just gonna take this brush of mine and take on some foundation. I'm using my Beautify by Eyeliner foundation brush, and I'm just going to use this to blend my foundation. So now I'm just going to move on to my brows. I'm going to be using my eyebrow brush from Beautify by Eyeliner, which looks like this. And I'm going to be using my eyebrow powder, जिसका डब्बा ऐसा लगता है, and I got this from a local store on Tariq Road. And this is what the box looks like, but whatever this is, whatever brand this is, it works really good. So I'm just going to use this. You can use whatever you want: eyebrow pomade, eye pencil, eyebrow cake. I'm just going to take the darkest shade. So now I'm just going to take my spoolie again from Beautify by Eyeliner, and I'm just going to brush my brow hairs upwards so that I can make sure that product अच्छे से मेरे eyebrows में blend हो गया. There are no harsh lines, it's a smooth gradient, and my brow hair are in place. I'm going to use my same foundation अपने उसी brush पे जो मैंने शुरू में use किया था to apply my foundation on my face, and I'm just going to use this to clean up my eyebrows. So एंड इसी प्रोडक्ट को नीचे की तरफ ब्लेंड करेंगे ताकि वो आपकी लिड पे डिफ्यूज हो जाए और इस तरह बस एक सॉलिड कंसीलर की या फाउंडेशन की लाइन लाए. You need to blend it downwards. You need to be really good with blending if you want your makeup to be flawless. इसको नीचे की तरफ blend out करूँगी ताकि it just blends. I'm gonna do the same thing upward. इसी remaining product को use करते हुए I'm just going to apply the leftover product on my brush on my eyelid. And then I'm just going to use my little beauty blender to blend it out. So now again I'm going to be using the same palette that I used in my previous video, and it's going to be the Makeup Revolution Chocolate Wise palette. Or इसमें से I'm just going to take this white shade right here on my Beautify by Amna smudge brush, and I'm just going to take this and apply it on my brow bone. So the reason why I didn't set my whole lid with powder was because मेरे पास red eyeshadow बिल्कुल vibrant red जो मुझे चाहिए था इस look के लिए, या dark maroonish, वो shadow नहीं था किसी भी मेरे palette में, so I had to use my matte lipstick. This is my liquid lipstick by Shishal Cosmetics. It's local, ये local है, so you can use any alternative that you have or you feel comfortable with. So this is perfect for this look. I tried it out before and it looked really nice, so why not? And I'm just going to use this to apply it on my lid and then blend it out using my brush. You have to be really careful with the lipstick if you're using the same one because it's matte and it's waterproof and it's really hard to get off, so you totally don't want to mess it up in the first go. थोड़ा सा और प्रोडक्ट लगाऊंगी अपनी क्रीज में, करना चाहती हूँ कि थोड़ा सा और इंटेंसिफाई हो और डार्क हो. I'm going to take this dark black shade from the palette and ये मैं लूँगी इस ब्रश के ऊपर जो कि मेरे पेंसिल ब्रश है रेगुलर सा, and I'm just gonna use this and dab it right on my lid and diffuse it up in my crease. मैं इसको डैब करने के साथ साथ सर्कुलर मोशंस में भी इसको ब्लेंड आउट करूँगी ताकि ये अच्छे से डिफ्यूज़ होता रहे. Now I'm just going to use my Essence Stay All Day 16 Hours Long Concealer in the shade 10 Natural Beige. Now taking my Rimmel, now I'm just gonna use my bronzer, जो कि totally ही destructed है. This is basically from Kazana Cosmetics, and this is what's left of it. So I'm just gonna use this to add a little bit warmth to my face on this brush right here. And I'm just gonna bronze up my face. And now using my Makeup Revolution HD Contour Kit and using Beautify by Amna's contour brush, I'm going to be using all 3 shades to contour my cheekbones. Now I'll just use my Makeup Revolution Luxury Banana Powder, and I'm going to bake. I'll just take my Makeup Revolution Strobe Highlighter, and I'm just going to use my Beautify by Amna, same brush that I used to set under my eye. Now I'll just use that same white shade on that same smudge brush, and मैं अपने inner corners को highlight करूँगी. इसी smudge brush को लेकर I'm going to take this dark brown shade from the palette on that same smudge brush. I'm going to put this underneath my eye. Now taking that same lipstick, I'm going to smudge a little bit color around my eye. Beautify by Amna के eyeliner brush को लेते हुए जिसकी टिप ऐसे लगती है, I'm just going to use this and using that same black eyeshadow जो मैंने शुरू में use किया था, and इससे I'm just going to draw like पतली lining. I'm not sure if you can see, but it looks like a branch. It should look realistic and faded. अब मैं जो है basically I'm going to use this black eyeliner. LA Pro Girl का है ये. इस तरह की इसकी tip है. So make sure you use something like this. ये मेरा eyeliner है, but I'm going to use this to line my lip और ताकि dark outline बने. मैं यूजुअली अपने लिप्स को राउंड आउटलाइन करती हूँ, बट आज मैं आर्च कर रही हूँ ताकि वो और फेयर्स लगे. So as you guys saw in the picture, she basically has a red droplet going down her lip. So I'm going to do that with the same lipstick. I'm going to draw this red droplet right here. Basically, I'm going to use the Beautify by Amna eyeliner brush, जो कितना पतला है, because it's going to give me precision. I'm just going to use this, and I'm going to use this lipstick. So as for the final part, I'm just going to curl my eyelashes and apply mascara. So I'm just going to curl my eyelashes. I'm going to apply my Essence False Lashes Mascara, which looks like this. And I'm just going to apply this on my upper and lower lash line. And इसके बाद मैं off camera जाके अपनी eyelashes लगाने वाली हूँ, because I really am so bad at applying eyelashes on camera. So now I'm just going to apply my eyelashes off camera, and the eyelashes that I'm going to be using is basically these eyelash wispies जो मैंने pink page Instagram page से मंगवाई है. I'll leave a link to the page down below. So I ordered these for just $8.50. They're 5 pairs and they're amazing. I'm going to use my duo eyelash adhesive to put them on. So that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this look. Make sure to like this video, comment down below whatever you want to say, make sure to subscribe to my channel and share this video if possible. The links to all my socials will be down in the description bar, so don't forget to check that out, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, goodbye.